Good evening, everybody!
Okay, so we're going, some of it's, ew!
Ew! She farted!
Who?
Alexis! No, I didn't.
So we're going holiday shopping. And some groceries for us too. We don't have to buy too much, Mom, but we're gonna bring you along and connect you to our basket. Are you embarrassed to vlog in public?
Mom?
Huh?
Are you gonna put that part where what Alexis just did while ago?
Yes, I am.
Let's keep it on
The camera's on you. Are you gonna be embarrassed? He just doesn't care. Okay, so I'm not focused. There we go. I'll see you when we get in there. Bye.
Bye. Hello, everybody. Is it recording? No! Are you gonna keep that on?
Where are we?
We're in H.E.B. H.E.B. Can I put you up in the back?
What's wrong?
There's chicken legs and they have nails on them and they're painted pink, even the feet.
You want to go get it so you can show them?
Can you see me?
Yeah. Tell them what she's talking about.
She's talking about chicken feet. Yeah. And then I told her they're painted pink like and she believes it.
No, show the camera.
Look how gross that is, and look at the disgusting nails they have! Ew! I'm putting it back on. watch me run to the car. Show them.